Start by drawing a rectangle. Stroke width must be thick, but not too thick. Once done, then make a duplicate of the rectangle and place it according to how it's shown on the video. Select all, then go to Path and Union. Now watch carefully how it is done and which nodes to select. Then break apart and adjust. Watch the video closely how it is done. Click on Filters, Bevel, and Metal Casting. Make sure that the object is selected before you add your filter, or it won't work. Make a copy of your object and then add it to the back strap of your bra. You can then make duplicates of the object and add it to the straps at the back as shown on the video. If you like my video, then consider subscribing or at least give my video a like. Your support will be appreciated. Thank you. As it does take plenty of time to create such content. If you'd like me to make any other video relating to pattern making in clothing, kindly let me know in the comments and I'll try and make it. Thank you for watching.